Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen and the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So for this one, we're going to be checking out some street foods. I mean, we've all had street food, and we know street food is probably some of the best foods out there. It's just made different, tastes amazing, you know what I'm saying? So why not? Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Ain't that right, my co-host? He said he wants to do this video with me, so let's get it. Well, first of all, I know it's street food, but my first question is, why is the area so dirty? I mean, I'd expect it to be, it's street food, so I'm not expecting it to be super clean, but at least a little bit clean. You know what I'm saying? Maybe because he's going so fast, he can't really keep the area clean. So let's keep watching. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie to you. You would eat that? No. You would need it? I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm the type of person, I eat with my eyes, and this right here just don't look appetizing at all. Like, honestly, it looks like if I eat this, I'll be in the toilet for at least 10 years. It don't look all that appetizing, I ain't gonna lie. I'd be real skeptical to try it. You said a thumbs down? It might be good though. It might be really good. But you don't want to try it?
No, we don't eat a toilet.
That's not the toilet. I mean, it looks a type of way, but that's not toilet. They're just cooking. It's not toilet food.
Okay.
But you don't want it? I'm not gonna lie, I probably wouldn't try that one. Just being honest. At least this guy's area is cleaner. Now this is what I'm talking about. His area is not extremely clean, but it's nothing like that other guy's. It's way better. More appealing to the eyes. I don't know what this is, but it looks good so far.
Yeah, but it looks like soap.
It's not soap. It's flour, I guess.
Flour?
Yeah. They put I think it's flour and they added liquid to it.
Wait.
No,
we don't add that.
No, but he's just making some.
Wait.
Okay.
Look at that
It's just seasoning. It's just seasoning.
Seasoning?
Yeah. And now he's adding butter.
Butter?
Yeah.
Wait, I don't. Oh, I see.
That's not bad.
Wait.
It's not bad. It looks good.
Wait. So that's pizza or something?
I don't know. It's not pizza. He's just adding stuff to the top.
I don't know what that is.
Now he's adding some seasonings. It looks good. It can go on. Huh?
So why is his area not clean?
Well, his area, because he's cooking on the streets, that's why. But wow, you see, that's skills right there. You saw, hold on, let me show you. Look. Just hold on, I'm gonna show you. And look what he's gonna do. It almost seems like cooking for this man is an art. You saw that?
Yeah.
He threw it and the other guy caught it.
But I can't.
Nice.
I can catch things. Like I can throw.
Okay. So I guess it's almost like you get what you want. Like you request what you want to get added. Ain't bad.
Wait, he got.
He caught it.
Yeah, he gets 2.
Oh. I don't know what's on top of them, but they look good.
Yeah, but so I don't know.
Hopefully somebody can tell me what this is, because I have no idea.
I know what it is. Tacos.
That's definitely not tacos, TJ.
Wait, look, he's rolling it. You
Yeah,
saw
but
it?
that's not tacos.
Yeah.
If anything, I would probably say a burrito,
Wait.
but I know it's not.
Well, you saw him wish it
Wrong
under
culture.
the table, and he texted it.
Caught.
See?
He caught it.
He caught it. See, that's why he caught it.
I'm telling you, it's an art.
Art?
Yeah.
Whoa, he's giving him a 10?
I tell you, that guy he's throwing it to, he's doing a lot of work.
Wait, he's giving me a 10?
I wonder how many of these they dropped.
Wait.
Yeah. Respect. Big up. See, yeah. See
That's what I just saw.
Yeah, I definitely, I could eat this guy's food, but the other one, not so much. This guy right here, for him, it's an art.
Yeah, it's art. Like I just saw it. Like he just swinged in the table. Like that.
And the other guy caught it.
He got it.
Well, I hope y'all like this video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Until next time,
Bye.
peace out.
Right, Vibes Kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.